BPCL, that is the stock in focus. There's been a recent upgrade as well coming in from CLSA on BPCL. They've upgraded BPCL, and the target as well has now been upped from the earlier 820 to now 900. And they maintain a buy recommendation on BPCL as well. And they say that BPCL's target of first gas in Mozambique in 2018 is implying that monetization is several years away with several challenges likely ahead. But however, yesterday's announcement is something that CLSA is quite positive on BPCL about. BPCL currently at 741, up in a down market by about 1.6% or so. So no better time. Let's bring in RK Singh, CMD at BPCL, who joins in on the show. Mr. Singh, congratulations on the new Mozambique discovery. First, if you could tell us more about this discovery in terms of the reserves and the expected production commencement target as well.
You see, as you are aware, we had earlier announced the discovery of gas in Mozambique block, and that was between 17 to 30 TCF. Okay, and in the same basin, operator has drilled another well where the fresh discovery, in addition to what was announced earlier, a fresh discovery has been established, and the potential reserve is estimated to be anything between 7 to 20 TCF. So total reserve, including the earlier one, now it is going to be between 24 to 50 TCF.
Good morning, Mr. Singh. This is Nikunj Talmi also joining in from the studio. Is BPCL looking at monetizing the investments in the Mozambique block, because your partner Cove Energy has recently concluded a deal and they've sold their stake in the Mozambique block?
No. There is nothing of that thing. There is nothing on the cards. But Cove Energy deal has already been concluded, and Shell has bought it over, and we are going to stay on there till the gas production or thereafter doing the marketing. So we have no intention of selling our stake in any manner. In any case, our stake is only 10%, so part selling makes no sense. So we are going to stay on, and by 2018-19 we expect gas to start flowing out, and we have every intention to get into the marketing of gas, including bringing it in our own country. Now, the total investment is going to be of a very high order. That includes not only the developmental work in the existing in the block that I was talking about, but also we are going to partake in the infrastructure development, downstream infrastructure development at Mozambique, so that gas can be monetized. It can be liquefied, it can be transported, that requires a development of pipeline, jetty, and the liquefaction plant. So we are going to stay on, and we are going to invest in all this infrastructure over a period of time.
Mr. Singh, do you foresee any regulatory risks with the government of Mozambique, as the Indian regulatory PNGRB is trying to rather cap marketing margins, and government of India has high excess in crude? So do you think any taxes or risks could emerge in Mozambique for you?
I think as of now the government of Mozambique has been very friendly, investor friendly. And there are some local taxes. For example, in the co-energy business, there is a capital gain tax which they have levied on co-energy. But despite that, Shell has gone ahead and they have bought it for $1.8 billion. So any government will try to. This is going to be the source of revenue, but I don't think anything unusual happening which will affect us adversely.
Mr. Singh, what are your estimates for FY13 under recoveries?
You see, it all nothing can be said at the moment, because it all depends on the compensation that we receive from the government, and we hope that government will continue to compensate us 100%. They will have to, as we have been saying in the past, government will have to raise the price somewhat, as also compensate us for the losses. With the combination of these two, that is government compensation upstream compensation as also the price increase. These are the three factors that are important for us to be compensated 100%, and we hope we will get it. Otherwise, we will not be able to generate revenue for future investment.
And Mr. Singh, when can we expect OMC's hiking prices of petrol as crude prices have not really come down due to rupee depreciation?
It is true that petrol has been deregulated and it is not covered under the subsidy scheme. But yet, we being the government company, and price increase, any price increase is going to affect the public at large, the consultation with the government is inevitable. Therefore, this consultation is going on, and I hope that very soon we will increase the price of petrol as well.
So can you quantify the exact quantum of under-recoveries for BPCL, both for diesel and then for petrol?
See, although the crude prices have come down, as also the prices of finished product, I'm talking about the international price, and all our refinery transfer prices are determined based on international price. But what has happened further, rupee depreciation has to a very large extent neutralized the gain that we have got on account of reduction in the crude price as also the reduction in the product prices. So I don't think there's much of difference as far as under recoveries are concerned. Currently we are losing about close to 14 rupees per litre on diesel and around 480 rupees on LPG and 30 rupees on kerosene. And if this continues and price increase does not take place, the under recovery, your earlier question that what will be the estimated under recovery for the year 2012-13, if nothing is done in terms of increasing the price or reduction of duty on petrol and if the prices of crude and petrol other products continue to be high, rupee depreciation continues as it is, then the estimated under recovery for 12-13 is around 200,000 crores.